As you can see, I have made the second butterfly. Hope so this pattern will be helpful for you. Assalamu alaikum. Welcome to my channel Crochet Tutorial. In this tutorial, I am coming with a new designs of stitches named as butterfly stitch. So let's get started. I am going to use 3.5mm crochet hook. So let's get started. I am going to make first a slip knot. There are many methods of the slip knot. If you wanted to know other methods of the slip knot, I am giving the link in the I button. And that video contain many methods of making a slip knot. Now I am going to make a foundation chain of 21 stitches. You can make it according to your need. So as you can see, yarn over and pull through the loop. As you can see, the yarn and the hook both are parallel to each other. I cross it, yarn over and pull through the loop. Again, I cross it, yarn over and pull through the loop. As you can see, I have made 21 chains. So that is the first round and foundation chain. Now what you have to do is to yarn over and skipping one, move into next one, and by making a half double crochet, insert into hook, pull through the loop. As you can see, I have 3 loops on the hook. Pass all of the 3s, as you can see. Again yarn over, insert into next chain, pull through, again 3 loops on the hook, pass all of the 3s, again as you can see, I'm going to make 5. This is 1, 2, 3 and 4, and this is 5. Five half double crochet, as you can see. Now I'm going to make a chain of 11 stitches. Chain 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, and the last one 10, and one more 11. A chain of 11 stitches, as you can see. Now you have to skip 11 and count it. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, and 11. As you can see, in this stitch I am going to make a half double crochet. Now look at this carefully. Yarn over. By skipping the 11 stitches, I am going to make in this stitch a half double crochet and pass all of the 3s, as you can see. Again yarn over and pull through the loop and pass all of the 3s and making a half double crochet. These are 3 half double crochet, yarn over and insert into loop, and these are, as you can see, 1, 2, 3 and 4, and this one is the last 5 half double crochet. Both sides contain 5 half double crochet, and there is a gap of at this place there is a gap of 11 stitches. and 5 half double crochet on both sides. Now the round 2 is going to complete. Now we are going to start the third round by making 2 chains, yarn over and making a half double crochet. Pull through the loop by making a half double crochet, as you can see. Again yarn over and making a half double crochet. If you have any difficulty or ambiguity related to making that stitch, you may pause the video at that moment and briefly or carefully see that point. These are 2 half double crochet, same as 3. This one is 4. Pass all of the 3s. The last one is 5, as you can see. Again, I am going to make a chain of 11 stitches. Chain 1, 2, 3, 4. I have made a chain of 11 in the third round. Now again I am going to make a half double crochet. Pass all of the 3 and by making a half double crochet. Again in the third round, at that place I am going to make a 5 half double crochet. 2 I have already made and the remaining I am going to make 3 and 4. In the time I am going to complete that round, you may pause the video and practice it. As you can see, I have completed that round. Now I am going to start the fourth round by making chains, 2 chains. Again at that place I am going to make a half double crochet. The number of the half double crochet are 5. This one is second, and now you can see I have made a 5 half double crochet in the fourth round. Again I'm going to repeat the pattern by making the 11 chains, a gap of 11 chains. 1, 2, 3 and 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, and this one is 10, and the last one 11. Again I am going to connect on the other side as I already made. So by making at that point a half double crochet, yarn over and again making a half double crochet, same as I am going to repeat this in the coming round. Now I am going to start the fifth round by making the same pattern and that I already have made in the fourth round. As you can see, I have completed the 5 round. Now I am going to make the 6th round all these. So by making chain 2 and making at that point a 5 half double crochet. As you can see, I have made a 5 half double crochet. Now I am going to make chain of 6 stitches. 1, 3, 4, 5 and 6. Making just a single crochet for connecting all of those. At that point I made 6 chains and at this side I am going to make 5 chains. 1, 2, 3, 4 and 5, again making a 5 half double crochet. Now as you can see, this is a style like a butterfly. As you can see, I have made the second butterfly. Hope so this pattern will be helpful for you. If you have any query or ambiguity related that point, you may ask easily in the comments section. So do share it, and Allah Hafiz.